All right, today's a new day. Back at the warehouse. Feel me? I work full time, so back here slaving again. Today we just got two totes, so we got two totes I'm putting away right now. Uh, Today I did catch a winning trade though. We took it on NAS. It went for a little bit over a 1R. I ain't gonna lie. I could have held it for a little bit more, but bro, I ain't gonna lie. When you're in that much drawdown and you're making your way back up, you kind of feel iffy about holding for long. Like back when I wasn't in drawdown, I used to try and hold for those 2R, 3R trades, but after being in drawdown and stuff, I just try to take. Well, I don't try to take a lot of profits. I just try to secure something. So that's why you see me. I always take like 25 off at a certain point, and then it stops break even. And yeah, it was still a winning trade though. It was still a winning day. When I get home, I will record the recap for it. But yeah, right now I'm just putting this stuff away, and yeah, if something new pops up, I'll vlog it for y'all. It's a shame that we gotta waste beautiful days like this, slaving at a fucking 9 to 5, bro. Like, I just cannot wait so I can do this full time. I'm gonna be just enjoying days like this. Like it's so sunny right now. It's like I think it's like 60 degrees, so it's pretty good in terms of Minnesota weather. So yeah, can you really go wrong, bro? These bitches hit. I don't care what you say, bro. This is the best ice cream on the market. Oh, I walked past the bathroom, bro. Bro, tell me why. Bro, tell me why one of my coworkers just shit at this. Dude, I swear to God, it sounded like diarrhea. He just splattered that bitch everywhere. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I be looking at the toilet. When I go in the bathroom and look at the toilet, I always see splattered shit on the fucking back rim. That shit is so gross, bro. The nigga I walked past and said, I just heard the say What to do now is put these away. We gotta use this thing called the Joey so it can go up, because it goes like right up there. So it's gonna be hard to record. You gotta use two hands to control this thing. So hold on. When you get in your spot, hit this button, hold it, and then you just go up and you stock it. Just like that. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and start the recap. We'll start with news today. We didn't have actually we did have news. We had news at 9. Pending home sales. I thought we had unemployment for some reason, but it was pending home sale. But today might be a little confusing because I had a lot of drawings, bro. It wasn't really a tricky day. It's just you kind of have to play both sides. But as always, we start on the daily time frame. So came on the daily time frame today. Where were we actually, bro? I noticed that we were like kind of blowing through this gap. Like earlier today, we were like all the way down here, and we were kind of blowing through that gap. There wasn't really anything to look at on NQ except for this small daily fair value gap right here. I can see I kind of overdrew it, but it was a small daily fair value gap that we're in here. So initially, after I seen that, I came to the 4-hour and I seen we still had the SMT from yesterday, right? It was way lower than this, obviously, but we had the SMT. It's still here. So I came in the day bearish, right? I was looking for sales, right? But I was aware that we did have a bullish order block right here. Right here. Actually, I'll just do it for the sake of how I usually do it, bro. I had a bullish order block right here, so I was aware of that. And then I dropped down to the hourly, and when news came out, news came out at 9 for me, so we was right here. Hold on. Where were we? News came out at 9. We was like right here. So here's the thing. Today I didn't really use ES like that. ES was like just kind of doing his own thing. I was more focused on YM, because YM is the whole reason why I took longs, right? If you go to the 4-hour and looking at NQ and YM, you can see YM swept all these like important lows. Like you see how this low on NQ, look at where it's matching up with YM, right? We have a obvious bullish SMT. It's a huge bullish SMT from all the way down from this low. We have an SMT with YM, so I'm like, okay. We're coming into a bullish order block. We're having a bullish SMT with YM, so I'm like, okay, I'm probably gonna have to play long and flip my bias to long. So that's what I did. after I recognized that, I came down to the 15-minute, and I was initially looking for a trade after news came out, and I took my trade like a couple minutes after news came out. I came to the 15. I didn't really see much going on, so I went down to the 5-minute, and on the 5-minute is where I kind of base my trade around. Well, I used the 5 minute, 1 minute, but on the 5-minute, I seen that we had this 5-minute bullish breaker block right here. See the low, high, lower, low, higher, high. The candles were respecting the fair value gap. So from there, I dropped down to the 1 minute. And sorry, bro, this thing is acting laggy. I don't know why. Let me try closing this out. This thing is acting super laggy. Okay, so after that 5-minute bullish breaker block, after I seen that, I hopped down to the 1 minute, and I was waiting for a lower time frame SMT, and that's what we got here. See, NQ never took this low, and YM took that low. I'm not sure about ES. I wasn't really using ES, like I said. It was more of an NQ and YM type day. So I seen that YM took that low, NQ didn't, and then I seen this 1 minute fair value gap. That's where I got long out of. Even though it got disrespected, I was still looking. I was waiting for it to like get a strong push out, and like I literally entered on this candle right here, and I put my stop at this low right here. And then I was targeting the 15-minute fair value gap up here. If this thing will even load, I don't know why it's acting like this. That's the wrong fair value gap. I was targeting this 15-minute fair value gap, so it was a 2RR trade, but I didn't really I didn't get the full thing because I always take profits a little bit earlier to just secure something to put my stops to break even, right? So hold on, I'll show you guys my P&L real quick. All right, so here's the P&L for today. Laptop is acting extremely slow, so I don't even know if y'all be able to see this shit for real. Like, look at what it's doing, bro. Laptop is horrible, but here's the P&L. Like I said, I took profits a little bit earlier than I held for the full TP. You can see the trade did end up like going way above what I thought it was gonna do. Like, I ain't gonna lie, it came up, hit my TP, came to my entry, and then blasted off. I didn't think it was gonna do all this. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I'm about to look for like a snack. No lie, I don't know how long this vlog was, but that's gonna wrap it up for me, bro. I just feel like shit. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't even work out today, so I'm going back at it 2 times hard tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, so I'm working out twice tomorrow. I'm actually working out, and I'm going to go hoop with my friends. So if you guys enjoyed, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.